reason to be proud of you. You sold me a cover with sand. I don't have a reason to stay right here again. A year ago, you left me on the floor. A year ago, you let it go. Tonight, if I need to breathe, give me another reason to be here tonight. It will be the same. Give me another reason